Hello everyone. Uh, this is the seventh part of the Cards Hub project. Or in this video, we will see how to test the REST API. Yes, or REST API testing for we will use Postman client. Yes, so are all the endpoints we will check this is the handle the request or not, or what the issues are come in the REST API, so that we will improve. Okay, so we will go to in the Postman, so you can install the Postman or Postman. Now I will go to a uh, new blank collection I will create. Yes, so you can create the blank collection. So now already I created the collection जैसे कि कार्स store already blank collection I created. Yes, so you can change your collection name, so here from, so I don't want to change. Okay, or we will create जैसे कि for example this is the user, so in this we will create a new folder name will give user REST API, user REST API. Okay, so in this multiple requests we will do. Okay, so we can change the name of the REST request जैसे कि get single user. Yes, so look, we can so it's before we will uh, execute the project, so you can go to in the cars app store. This is the main class, or here we will click the right turn, or we will run the projects. Okay, project is starting. Project is starting, or project started. Yes, project started. Tomcast started 9090. Okay, so workbench in we will see key created a user. Yes, created the, firstly we will refresh. Okay, or user is created. Okay, so sometime before I check the I created the user, so that data are showing, but we will delete this data. Okay, so how to delete? So I deleted. So, okay, so now again we will uh, so we will delete from the Postman. Okay, no issue. So we will go to in the Postman. So Postman, and we will call the local host colon 9090 and a user. Yes, so we will see user. Okay, so it sometime before I check the REST API, the REST API, and I created the user this type of. Okay, so how do you can create, we will create the new user. Okay, so we will go to in the body. Okay, we will go to in the row. Yes, so here through we can pass the JSON. Okay, so JSON object we will create जैसे कि name. We will not give the user ID. Actually user ID is generated by default. We are created UUID class through your random user ID. Okay, so username now for example is Deepak Labansi. Labansi. Okay, for name. Email for example email is Deepak love at love at the rate gmail.com. Okay, password I will give password 123. Okay, okay, or um, about we will give about we will give जैसे कि this is software developer. Okay, or gender male. Okay, image user image and some loader. Boy and some boy. Okay, or we will see we can give. Okay, so user ID we will not give. So user is created. You can see. So user creating code we will give the post request. Yes. So post request. Yes. So error come to JSON parse error. JSON parse error to unexpected character. JSON parse error is unexpected character. Yes, so we will again send. Yes, user is created. Yes, for example, I want to get this user. So the user getting by the user ID. We will copy user ID, or we will send the request get single user. Okay, right here we will give the name create single user. Okay, get single user. Yes, for example, I want to check this endpoint to get get user by id. Okay, so this endpoint check, so this is the working properly. Okay, so now we will check get, I mean updating user, no, update user y id. Okay, so therefore we will put request, put type of the request will go to on the server. ठीक है, so we will go to in the body or row, and we will go to, or we will give the path in user id. Okay, so we will go to row, or here we will pass name of the user, the email. Email I will not give, I will not change, actually email is showing. Okay, so password user can change, or gender male. Okay, or about I am a beautiful girl. Okay, or user image, rather image, rather image. So we will update. So I checked this endpoint, update endpoint, yes, this, so this is working properly. Okay, now we will get the user by email. Okay, so I want to get the user by the email. This endpoints I want to change, sorry, check. So therefore we will do the request. This is come to the error email. This is not email. This is the user ID. Okay, so I will come to the email. So this is working properly. Okay, or for example, user search by the name, search by the keyword. Okay, Rathe. So this endpoint is working clearly. So this one endpoint created. This is the working properly. Okay. Now currently I checked, or now we will check. Now we will check user delete. User delete by ID. Okay. So user will delete by the ID. So therefore we will do post delete request. Yeah, user is deleted successfully. Success is true. Status code. Okay. Yes. Okay. Also, yeah. Hmm. So all the REST API is working clearly. Okay. So we will meet in next module. Okay. Next module we will start in the next video. So thank you for watching this video.